Hey, what's going on everybody? California Flipper here, bringing you guys another video. Thank you so much for clicking today, and this is going to be another pickup video. I've been finding some pretty cool stuff. Lots of bolos, some tips in today's video, and some great pickups as always. So if you guys enjoy these types of videos, don't forget to leave me a like, comment, and subscribe if you're new. So let's get right into it. So this morning at about 8 o'clock in the morning or so, actually I think it was more like 9 o'clock, this guy posted a N64 for 85 bucks. So I'm going to share everything that I got with you guys from that post. So we got two N64 controllers here. And I just got it like right on time. Like the guy said that like heck of people were hitting him up. But I messaged first and the post was up for like 4 minutes. So I got lucky and he met with me, gave him 85 bucks for everything I'm going to share with you guys. Oh, one of the controllers dropped. Then we got the N64 console here. And it came with all the cords. I just have them in the bag still. And it came with South Park. So, 85 bucks. You're like, oh, that's kind of expensive, which it is. But it came with the red expansion pack. So if you guys don't know, these red expansion packs right here, you pop these out. And those are worth 40 to 50 bucks just for that. So what I do is I take the expansion out, I sell it separately for, you know, that 40, 50 bucks. And then I pop in one of these cheap, like I think they're like $6 or $7 shipped to your house. This is a jumper pack. So what you would do to maximize your profit on these, when you find them with the N64 expansion packs, like the red one, that red one right there, pop that out. Buy a cheap one of these on eBay for like $6, $7 shipped, and pop this in there, sell it. So that's the way you maximize your profit. So pretty cool little flip there. And I also asked him if he had any other video games, and he took me to you know, like to the side of the house. He pulled out some PS2 games, and he had Resident Evil for PS1. It's unfortunately missing the manual, but it has both discs. And also the case has like a little crack right here. But it's a $25 game, 25-30 bucks. And then also got Greatest Hits Metal Gear. The Black Label one goes for like I think 40 to 50, somewhere around there, 35 to 50. The Greatest Hits one, this one is complete with the manual and both discs, of course. And this will go for like 25 to 30. So I paid 20 bucks for both of them, so I paid up a little bit, but I've never found Resident Evil for PS1, so I was pretty happy to find that. And it's Black Label, so that's pretty cool. Okay, so pretty good deal there. And then, oh yeah, then the South Park game, I'll get like 15 bucks or something for that. So pretty happy with that pickup. Alright, picked up a PS2 bundle here. And if you guys are wondering what the yellow tape is, it's masking tape. I usually write like a little note on there of like what it needs. Like this one, for example, needs a power cord, so I need to order that on eBay. So I usually write it on my board here so I don't forget. Anyways, I got the PS2 Slim. I tested it. It works. I paid 40 bucks for the Slim, 2 controllers. Everything works. And also, the PlayStation came with a stack of games. And they were all in really mint condition. So we got Jack's Combat Racing. It's a pretty fun game. Then we got another Jack's Racing. SOCOM. Nothing too crazy on the games, but still, I'm pretty happy with paying 40 bucks for it. Waveboard. We got Ford Racing 2. And we got Top Gun. We got Burnout 3 Takedown. You know, a lot of $10, $12 games here, which I'm really happy with. Sims 2. And then probably the best one out of the bunch, we got Need for Speed Most Wanted. That's about a $15, $18 game. So not bad for 40 bucks. A couple thrift store pickups. I just picked these up today. We got Minecraft. I paid $2.92 for it. So not too bad. It's unfortunately just the disc, but I should get 15 bucks for that. And then also picked up this clicker. This is a Chamberlain garage door clicker, and these things are worth pretty good money. If you could find the garage door openers Pick them up if they're cheap enough. Of course, always look them up. It depends on the brand and all that. But this one's going up for like 40 to 50 bucks. So pretty cool there. And I only paid $3.92. So pretty good there. That's an easy 40 bucks. That probably honestly will sell overnight. Picked up this Nintendo Wii here with all the cords. No sensor bar, nothing like that. But I got it at the thrift store. And I only paid $15 for it. I don't know if you guys can see that. I paid 15 bucks for this. And I turned it on. It had a game in it, but it was like open season or something like that, so nothing too crazy. But still, 15 bucks for that. And then also they had these official Nintendo Wii steering wheels. You can bundle these with Mario Kart and get pretty good money. Only paid $1 for them each, so pretty cool there. Xbox 360 controller, tested it, it works. Paid 7 bucks for that. Here's a bolo, guys. Here's a really good bolo. These are network adapters. They come in black and white. Sometimes they have 2 antennas on them, or just one. And these are just Wi-Fi network adapters for Xbox 360. A lot of times you'll find them in a bucket of games or chargers and stuff like that, kind of like with dongle receivers. Just like this one, I found it in a bucket of games that the guy had. And these things go for like 20 to 25 bucks, I think. I haven't found one in a while, but they always sell for like 20 to 25 bucks all day long. So keep an eye out for Xbox 360 wireless adapters, Wi-Fi adapters. So pretty good pickup there. And then also picked up a original Game Boy SP charger. Paid 3 bucks for that at a flea market. These sell for like 10 to 13 bucks. But I like picking up my original cords, controllers, adapters, all that good stuff. It's always good to have that stuff on hand. A couple more flea market pickups. We got a couple things here, and here's a quick tip for you guys. Always check. This guy was saying at the flea market everything's $1. So I was just kind of browsing around, and I saw these 2 things laying on the ground. So if you've seen Nintendogs, it's probably not, nothing crazy, but I open it up. Always check your cases, guys, especially at flea markets, Goodwills. And the game is Contact by Atlas. I don't know if you guys can see that, but always keep an eye out for that name, Atlas. It's the game developer. I don't know if you guys can see that, but Atlas, just keep an eye out for that. Pick it up. It's a good company that makes good video games. And this game right here, Contact, I paid $1 for it. It should go for like 20 bucks. If it was complete, more like on the 35 to 40 range. Then also picked up this Band Hero. You can see the Goodwill sticker for 10 bucks. I obviously did not pay that, but I paid $1 for this, and I opened it up and I saw Animal Crossing in there. And this is, 12 bucks, 13 bucks, but paid $1 for that. So $2 into about 30 to 35 bucks. So always check your cases all the time. Always do that. All right, guys, I'm going to be doing a list of sports games that are worth money. I got one right here, excuse me, that I'm going to be sharing with you guys. But I'm going to be dropping a sports only like bolo list. And I got a lot of good games on there that you guys a lot of you guys probably are passing up that are worth really good money. And here's one for that I picked up for $2.92. This is Tiger Woods PGA Tour 14, and I paid $3 for it. And this sells for 20 to 22 bucks, and upwards of 25. So keep an eye out for PGA Tour. And these are games that are passed up all the time. Sports games. They're like the hidden gems. People pass up all the time. So keep an eye out for that game right there. Some more games. We got a complete inbox NBA Jam for the Genesis. Complete. This game is around 15 bucks. Paid $2 for that at a flea market. And then we got 5 copies of Rock Band. I paid $1 a piece on these. We got 2 copies of Rock Band 1. Not big money here, but for $1 a piece, I'll bundle them with the guitar, or just multi-quantity it. Rock Band 2. And then the same person I got the adapter from, these games were in there and I picked them up. Black Ops 1, Call of Duty Modern Warfare, Not really big money in these games, but still cool. Forza 2 Motorsport, that's about 12 bucks. Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2, this is about a $10 game. Then we got World at War, and then Assassin's Creed Trilogy. So pretty cool games there. And then the last one, guys, we got Grid for the Xbox 360. So just because it's right here by me, I wasn't going to share these with you guys, but I'm going to do it right now because I just saw them while I was looking at those games. And I picked these up like last week. I haven't listed them yet, but here's a good brand to look out for if you guys sell clothing or looking to get into clothing. And the brand is Allbirds. You guys can see that. Allbirds. I think it's like a wool. But keep an eye out for that brand, Allbirds. I just wanted to throw that in there just because why not, you know. Make some money. These right here I paid $2 and I should get like 35 to 40 bucks for these shoes. Pretty light. So yeah, guys, that's going to be it for today's video. I just want to share these pickups with you guys before I start listing everything. That's what I usually do. I have everything like piled up and then I start to, you know, I make a video, then I start to list it. So that's what I'm going to do with this stuff. So pretty busy, guys. I don't know if I said I just got done doing my taxes a couple days ago. So, that's why I'm not going to be double uploading anytime soon, but I just want to at least upload this video. So if you guys appreciate these videos, you guys like these videos, please leave a like on the video, comment, and subscribe. I am going to be doing a giveaway pretty soon, so stay tuned for the giveaway. It's going to be a pretty, you know, small little giveaway, but it's going to be something pretty cool, and hope you guys are looking forward to that. So I'll see you guys tomorrow in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. You guys have a good day and stay safe. Peace.